Hey, Roger Rapinski here from Roger Rips. Today we got Scarlet Violet Journey Together. Got our code card. Can't remember if Journey Together has hollow energy or not. Oh, not today anyway. Nimble. Larvitar. Remoraid. Hey, Carablast. I was looking for this because I actually really like the Yuka Morty art. I have a decent collection of her cards. I think their little models are actually really cool. Henron's Castle. Alino. Mason Hollow. Huh? All right. And it's nice to know Reggie. All right. That's what we got for today. Remember, opening packs is gambling, and I'll see you tomorrow.